Okie dokie. So for today, we have this conditioner. This is the Hask Greek Yogurt Hydrating Deep Conditioner with Greek Yogurt, Fig, and Honey. From the last, what mask was it that had the honey in it? I think it was the Thank God It's Natural mask with the honey. My hair likes honey, guys. I didn't know. I mean, like, I've never, put honey in my hair mask, but apparently my hair likes it. So, I'm going to try out this mask. I just washed my hair. I haven't washed my hair in quite some time. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I have just been wearing a bun and throwing a cap on because I've just been too lazy. But let's see what this mask has in store for us. So, it says free of sulfates, parabens, phthalates, gluten, drying alcohol, and artificial colors. This innovative formula gives your hair the hydrating treatment it craves. Greek yogurt, protein-packed and full of calcium to help nourish and moisturize. Fig and honey, rich in vitamins and nutrients to help fight dryness and leave hair shiny. Apply to wet hair and leave on for up to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Yeah. So, it says, caution, this is not food. I don't think you would want to eat out a packet like this, but, to each their own, okay? But this is not food. So, I'm going to go ahead and take my hair down, and we're going to apply this baby. So, my hair is almost dry at this point because your girl put on some makeup for you guys today. Do you like it? But, I just went ahead and did that, so my hair did dry up a little bit. And guess what I got, guys? New clips! So exciting! If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I had these two dingy ass clips that were just, not a good look for anybody. So the fact that I remembered to buy new clips on Amazon when I placed an Amazon order recently, it's just a really new ball game for all of us. Like, look at that. Wow, amazing, crazy. I'm going to use my spray bottle. This one I got from Amazon. They also have them at Sally's Beauty Supply if you don't feel like waiting. So, I'm just going to put it all over my head. If you guys can hear the thunder in the background, I'm so sorry, but it is like severe thunderstorms outside right now, so I can't control the weather, Jackie. If you guys know where that's from, leave it down below. That's just so funny. Okay, so in the shower I used the Cream of Nature Argan Oil shampoo and my Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist conditioner to detangle in the shower. So that's what I used, and I rinsed out that one. So I'm just going to open this up. I can't really smell. Oh, it smells good. Oh my god. This smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just going to take like this much. It looks like this. It's like a thick consistency. Ooh, she's thick. Oh, whatever. Oh my god, guys. I'm going to love this mask. I can already feel it. It feels like the ORS banana one. The one that I was like obsessed with. I still use that mask, guys. Like, it's so good. Oh my gooch. Oh my gooch. It's so good. I love this. It feels so good. Oh my goodness. And then I just take, this is my Tangle Teezer brush, and I just work that through. Oh my god, this feels so good, you guys. I'm not even like, one person like commented on my video, they're like, your hair loves everything. And I'm like, no it doesn't. If you have been here for a while, you know that there have been masks that I have not liked like at all. But, haters are gonna hate. Potatoes are gonna potato, So, I'm just gonna stick that up there. And yeah. So I'm just going to brush through this. My hair is already detangled. I wouldn't do this if my hair was not already detangled. So just going to brush through that. Squirt with a little extra water. just to make sure it's all super wet or whatever. So this mask is already feeling so good, guys. So how are you guys? What is up? What's the hot goss? What's the 411? Oh, it's like downpouring now. Love that. But yeah, what is up? I feel like I haven't talked to you guys, you know, deep conditioned with you guys in a little bit. So let me know what's popping. How's your summer? Have you gone to the beach? I have not gone to the beach yet. No, I have not. I want to go this weekend. But yeah, I can't believe it's August. I'm filming this on July 31st. Tomorrow's literally August, you guys. Like, what in the world? Time is flying. I cannot. Okie dokie. Love that. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this mask to the rest of my hair. So far, I am absolutely loving it. It is really, really good. It feels really moisturizing. It smells delicious. So that's all I have to report at the moment. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this, and I'll be right back to show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, the conditioner is all in my hair. I actually have to leave for work in like 25 minutes, so this isn't going to be like a really long staying in my hair process, but it says to leave on for only 5 minutes, and I never do that anyway. So I'm just going to leave this in for as long as I can. I'm going to go cook myself some lunch to take with me. And yeah, so I should be back in like 15-20 minutes or so to show you guys the rinsed out, how it looks. But right now I'm loving the way my hair feels. It feels like it's going to be super, super hydrated once I'm done, and I'm so excited for that. And yeah, I think that's it. That's all I have to say right now. Like I said, my hair is looking really shiny too. You guys see that shine? I'm really excited to rinse this out. So I will show you guys what it looks like when it's rinsed out in just a second. Okay guys, so I just rinsed out the conditioner. I left it in for about like 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes or so. Like I said, I have to leave for work. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. My hair feels good, but not as good as I thought it was going to feel, if that makes sense. And I was really excited to wash it out in that clip because my hair felt super, super hydrated like it almost did with the ORS Bamboo. But after taking down my hair, I don't feel like it's as moisturized as I thought it was going to be. It is still hydrated, but I just feel like there's other conditioners that have left my hair more hydrated than this. Going on, it felt really, really good. It felt like my hair was going to come out, you know, feeling like, you know, $1,000,000 or whatever, but I can really say like it doesn't really feel like that anymore. I feel like I kind of washed away that feeling when I rinsed it out. My hair does feel hydrated, but not as hydrated as like I feel a hydrating mask should make my hair feel, if that makes sense. I probably wouldn't purchase this again just because I feel like it's a product. It's not something that, you know, blew me away or anything like that. So I would recommend this if you're just looking for a good conditioner that, you know, isn't going to leave your hair feeling really dry or flaky or anything, but something that's going to leave your hair really hydrated. I definitely suggest the ORS one instead. So yeah guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below before you leave. And if you like hair videos, don't forget to give this video a like. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I will talk to you guys in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.